Hi guys, welcome to Chris Outdoors. I just thought I'd take a couple of minutes just to show you my compact cut kit here. So I'll dive straight into it. First of all, a little breathable bag so it just don't get stinky from any old water or anything. Then we've got a, what brand's this? It's a Tomsho 750mg titanium cooking pot. It's got a bail handle. It's got your normal handle. It's got the lid with the holes for venting or maybe pouring water very slowly. Got a lighter. Folding titanium spork. We have a Trangia style alcohol stove. We've got the pot stand. That sits on top of your stove. Don't need to show you that. That's where it gets interesting. We have your drinking cup, which is 450ml. That's by Tomsho. Then we've got an Optimus windshield. It's all ultra lightweight, titanium. I mean, that's like a brass type metal. There's still not much to it. I am considering, if I get on well with this, if changing this for a titanium one just to save, you know, a few grams. Well, that's my favourite part. That's the windshield. Hopefully, I've not tried the windshield yet, but I'm wanting it to sit like so. You see the cutout? Should work nicely, but it all fits. I'll give you a size comparison. Something to compare to. It's roughly, I mean, this is a 1 litre bottle of Nalgene. Bottle of Nalgene, a Nalgene bottle. It's about half the size of a Nalgene bottle, which the original reason I got these is because the Nalgenes fit inside the cup, so they're very versatile. You know, you could ditch that, for instance. But the reason, you might be wondering why I've got two there. Boil your water, pour your brew, carry on boiling or top it up, put your noodles in there, you know, a bit of meat or a cup of soup, anything like that, and it just stacks nicely. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys.